Before activation, download DJI Mimo from the App Store. Power on the Osmo Pocket. Remove the universal ports cover and mount the smartphone adapter. Connect the mobile device to the Osmo Pocket with the smartphone adapter, and the DJI Mimo app will pop up automatically. If your device is not activated, the app will automatically enter the activation screen. Turn on Upload Device Information and authorize the server to upload the Osmo Pocket's information for activation. Then tap Next. When a Please Activate After Login prompt is shown, tap Login. You can register an account or log in with your DJI account. After logging in, confirm the activation account and tap Activation. Keep your mobile phone connected to the internet and wait until the device has communicated with the server. When the app prompts that the activation is successful, the activation is complete. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI Gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.